Hello everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Flow. Today, we are going to talk about something very important for every English learner. Many people study English for years. They learn vocabulary, they learn grammar rules, and they watch many English videos. But when they speak, they still make the same common mistakes. The good news is that these mistakes are easy to fix. In this lesson, we will learn 50 common English mistakes beginners make and how to correct them. Listen carefully, repeat the correct sentences, and practice every day. Small improvements create big changes. Let's begin. Mistake 1. Using I am agree. Many beginners say, I am agree with you. But this is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I agree with you. Remember, agree is already a verb. We don't use am before it. Example. Wrong. I am agree that English is important. Correct. I agree that English is important. Repeat. I agree with you. Mistake 2. Saying he go or she work. Many beginners forget the S with he, she, and it. Wrong. He go to school every day. Correct. He goes to school every day. Wrong. She work in a bank. Correct. She works in a bank. Remember. I work. You work. They work. But. He works. She works. It works. Mistake 3. Using I have 20 years old. In many languages, people say their age using have. But in English, we use be. Wrong. I have 20 years old. Correct. I am 20 years old. Example. I am 25 years old. Repeat. I am ___ years old. Mistake 4. Saying myself John. Many beginners introduce themselves this way. Wrong. Myself John. Correct. My name is John. Or, I am John. Example. Hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Mistake 5. Using discuss about. Many people add about after discuss. Wrong. We discussed about the problem. Correct. We discussed the problem. The word discuss already has the meaning of talking about something. Example. We discussed the new project. Mistake 6. Saying return back. The word return already means go back. Wrong. I will return back tomorrow. Correct. I will return tomorrow. Or, I will go back tomorrow. Mistake 7. Using more better. Many learners use two comparison words together. Wrong. This is more better. Correct. This is better. Wrong. This is more easier. Correct. This is easier. Remember. Good better. Easy easier. Mistake 8. Saying I didn't went. After did, we use the base form of the verb. Wrong. I didn't went there. Correct. I didn't go there. More examples. Wrong. Did you saw him? Correct. Did you see him? Mistake 9. Using people is. People is plural. Wrong. People is happy. Correct. People are happy. Example. Many people are learning English. Mistake 10. Saying I am boring. This mistake changes the meaning. I am boring means you make other people bored. If you want to say you feel bored. Correct. I am bored. Example. The movie is boring. I am bored. Mistake 11. Using very like. Wrong. I very like this song. Correct. I really like this song. Or, I like this song very much. Mistake 12. Saying I am coming from Pakistan. When talking about your origin, use from. Correct. I come from Pakistan. Or, I am from Pakistan. Mistake 13. Using open the light. In English, we say, turn on the light. Turn off the light. Example. Please turn on the light. Mistake 14. Saying make a photo. Usually we say, take a photo. Example. Can you take a photo of me? Mistake 15. Using say me. Wrong. He said me the answer. Correct. He told me the answer. Remember. Say something. Tell someone something. Example. She told me a story. She said hello. Mistake 16. Saying I am having a car. Usually we use have. Wrong. I am having a car. Correct. I have a car. Example. I have a new phone. Mistake 17. Using informations. Information is uncountable. Wrong. I need some informations. Correct. I need some information. Mistake 18, saying advices. Advice is also uncountable. Wrong. Can you give me some advices? Correct. Can you give me some advice? Mistake 19, using one of my friend. After one of, use plural. Wrong. One of my friend. Correct. One of my friends. Example. He is one of my best friends. Mistake 20, saying I am knowing. We usually don't use know in continuous form. Wrong. I am knowing him. Correct. I know him. Remember, know is a state verb. Mistake 21, saying I am understanding. Wrong. I am understanding. Correct. I understand. Example. I understand the lesson. Mistake 22, using very much good. Wrong. This is very much good. Correct. This is very good. Mistake 23, saying I like very much it. Correct word order. I like it very much. Mistake 24, using married with. Wrong. She is married with John. Correct. She is married to John. Mistake 25, saying different than everywhere. A common correct form. Different from. Example. This book is different from that book. Great job. These are some of the most common mistakes English learners make. Don't feel bad when you make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The important thing is to notice them and improve. Practice these corrections again and again. Now, we will continue with more mistakes and learn the correct way to speak naturally. Remember, do not only watch. Repeat the correct sentences. Your brain learns faster when you listen and speak. Let's continue. Mistake 26, saying I am agree instead of I agree. We already learned this mistake, but let's practice another similar one. Many learners use am before every feeling or action. For example, wrong, I am understand. Correct, I understand. Wrong, I am remember. Correct, I remember. Not every sentence needs am. Mistake 27, using I have a good news. The word news is uncountable. Wrong, I have a good news. Correct, I have good news. Example. I have good news for you. Mistake 28, saying I have a homework. Homework is uncountable. Wrong, I have a homework. Correct, I have homework. Example. I need to finish my homework. Mistake 29, using make homework. Many languages translate this directly. Wrong, I need to make my homework. Correct, I need to do my homework. Remember, do homework. Make a mistake. Make a decision. Mistake 30, saying I am boring when you mean tired or not interested. Let's practice. The class is boring. I am bored. The movie was boring. I was bored. The thing creates the feeling. Mistake 31, using less people. When talking about people, we usually say fewer. Wrong, there are less people today. Correct, there are fewer people today. Example. Fewer people came to the meeting. Mistake 32, saying I am good in English. The correct preposition is usually at. Wrong, I am good in English. Correct, I am good at English. Example. She is good at mathematics. Mistake 33, using marriage and married incorrectly. Remember, marriage equals the event or relationship. Married equals the person's status. Example. They had a beautiful marriage. She is married. Mistake 34, saying I am living here since 5 years. For something that started in the past and continues now, use for or since. Correct. I have been living here for 5 years. I have been living here since 2021. Mistake 35, using from and since incorrectly. From is usually for a starting point. Example. I work from Monday. Since is used for time until now. Example. I have lived here since 2020. Mistake 36, saying I am agree with that. Again, remember. I agree with that. Not. I am agree. Mistake 37, using he don't or she don't. With he, she, and it. Use doesn't. Wrong. He don't like coffee. Correct. He doesn't like coffee. Wrong. She don't understand. Correct. She doesn't understand. Mistake 38, using I doesn't. With I, use don't. Wrong. I doesn't know. Correct. I don't know. Mistake 39, saying, does he likes it? After does, use the base verb. Wrong. Does he likes English? Correct. Does he like English? Mistake 40, using I didn't knew. After did, use the base form. Wrong. I didn't knew. Correct. I didn't know. Mistake 41, saying I can't speak English. After can, don't use to. Wrong. I can speak English. Correct. I can speak English. More examples. I can help you. I can understand. Mistake 42, using I want that you help me. This is a direct translation. Correct. I want you to help me. Example. I want you to learn English. Mistake 43, saying explain me. Usually say, explain it to me. Example. Can you explain it to me? Mistake 44, using give me an information. Information is uncountable. Correct. Give me some information. Or, give me a piece of information. Mistake 45, saying I am interesting. Remember, interesting describes the thing. Interested describes the person. Example. The book is interesting. I am interested in the book. Mistake 46, using I feel myself happy. This is unnecessary. Correct. I feel happy. Example. I feel happy today. Mistake 47, saying I am here since morning. Better. I have been here since morning. Example. I have been waiting since morning. Mistake 48, using very enjoy. Wrong. I very enjoy this movie. Correct. I really enjoy this movie. Mistake 49, saying I want to go to home. Remove to. Correct. I want to go home. Example. I am going home. Mistake 50, using I have many works. Work can mean a job or tasks. Wrong. I have many works today. Correct. I have a lot of work today. Example. I have a lot of work to do. Congratulations. You have learned all 50 common English mistakes and their corrections. But remember something important. Knowing the mistake is only the first step. Real improvement happens when you practice. Try using these corrected sentences every day. Instead of saying, I am agree, say, I agree. Instead of saying, I didn't went, say, I didn't go. Small corrections create natural English. Thank you for learning with Daily English Flow. Keep practicing, keep improving, and your confidence will grow. See you in the next English lesson.